Viviana Garcia arrived in Chile from Venezuela with her 3 children 2.5 years ago. The 38-year-old nurse needed help to care for them while she worked, so she paid a migrant trafficker to bring her mother into the country through an illegal border crossing. But on June 6th, a Sunday, the immigration police phoned and asked Garcia's mother to meet them at a nearby supermarket.
She called me and said, "They've just detained me, and I'm going to be deported." I asked why. The police told her she had been notified, but it's not true. She was sent away to Venezuela without clothes or anything.
Since early this year, Chile has been carrying out summary deportations of hundreds of undocumented migrants, the vast majority of them Venezuelans. They say authorities have denied them the right to appeal their expulsions. Hundreds are being detained and deported on weekends, when the courts are closed and are unable to issue a cease and desist order. Venezuelans argue that obtaining a Chilean visa in their home country is now almost impossible. Chile's Interior Ministry says it wants to discourage thousands of Venezuelans who continue crossing into Chile through the Atacama Desert via neighboring Bolivia or Peru. The government plans to carry out an additional 33,000 pending expulsion orders, insisting that the migrants' legal rights are being respected. But a detailed Human Rights Watch report says that Chile is in fact denying many Venezuelan migrants their right to due process, including the right to challenge a deportation order before it's carried out, and to present extenuating circumstances, such as having a family member residing in Chile.
Our research shows that some of these Venezuelans who were deported have appeals pending in the local courts. And they were not taken into account. That should be illegal any country in the world.
Franco, not his real name, has been living in Chile legally for nearly 3 years. He was overjoyed when he finally managed to pay a trafficker to bring his wife over 8 months ago through an illegal border crossing. But on June 5th, while they were sleeping, he says the migration police arrived and took his wife away.
It took one day, 24 hours. At 6 a.m. on a Saturday, they detained her, and on Sunday evening, she was already back in Venezuela. They didn't let us call a lawyer. They barely let her brush her teeth and dress.
Franco says they didn't have time to present their case in court, or to find out that his wife was pregnant when she was summarily sent back alone to an uncertain future in Venezuela. Lucia, Newman, Al Jazeera, Santiago.